In today's video, I'll be unleashing 5 easy side hustle that you can do over the weekend that doesn't feel like a 9 to 5 job. These side hustles have the potential to make you up to $500 over the weekend, so it's definitely a great option for those of you who are looking to earn extra money. And the fun part is you don't have to have experience for the most part. Let's get right into the video. The first one is decluttering your closet by selling old stuff that you no longer use. I know for the most part, some of you have old items that you're no longer using, like baby toys, pillows, shoes, handbags, and stuff like that. The best websites to get these things sold really fast is on a site like Facebook Marketplace or on Craigslist. You can list your item for sale. All you have to do is take great photos of the products, write a detailed description, and also add a price. A lot of people go to Facebook Marketplace in particular to get the best deals on things they could purchase. So it's highly recommended that you use Facebook Marketplace as your first choice in listing these items for sale. There are also many products you can consider selling on Facebook Marketplace. So look at things like tools. You can also look at appliances, golf racks, and so much more. Anything that is valuable that someone else might need at a lower price is considered a great thing to sell on these marketplaces. Now, if you like to drive and you have a couple of hours to spare on the weekend, DoorDash is an app that will pay you to deliver food for their customers. You don't need to have experience, but you will need to do their background check. You will also need to have a valid driver's license, must be at least 18 years, and you also need to have a reliable bike or vehicle in order to deliver food. Now, making $500 with DoorDash is quite simple. All you have to do is ensure that you are making deliveries swiftly to these clients. You want to also look at the hot spots where most of the food deliveries are made. Most of the places that I know that are really high on DoorDash delivery are places like Houston, San Francisco, Philadelphia, and Washington, D.C. So if you're living in any of these areas, these are normally the hot cities that a lot of Door Dashers are making a lot of money. Now, the hourly rate for dashing is about $30. So you can make $30 including tips if you are living in any of these cities. So there is a lot of potential to make money as a DoorDasher. Now, dog walking is a great side hustle for people who love animals. Rover is an app that will allow you to get paid to walk dogs, and you can also consider staying overnight with these pets to make double the amount you will get for walking. Now, to get started, you will go over to rover.com, sign up for an account. They do require that you do a background check. Most likely, the owners of these pets would want to ensure that they're leaving their pets with someone that is trusted. Now, as a dog walker, you will be able to earn money on a flexible schedule. So this is definitely one of those perfect side hustles that you can do over the weekend. House sitting is considered one of the easiest side hustles you can do over the weekend, and it involves you staying at a home while the owners are on vacation or on a business trip. Now, a website like Trusted House Sitter is a perfect place for you to find these clients, and it's open worldwide. Once you're on their website, trustedhousesitters.com, you will see that you have the option to find a house to sit. You can click on that option, and they will take you through a series of questions in order for you to find the best house to sit. And this is available worldwide, so you could put in your area and you'll be able to browse through some of the homes that needs a sitter. The next side hustle that's perfect to make money over the weekend is using a site like TaskRabbit. You'll be able to help people with their laundry, do home repairs, help with any type of moving, and any professional services that a homeowner might need. So if you go over to their website, TaskRabbit.com, you'll see that you can book trusted help for home tasks. And this includes mounting, moving, cleaning, outdoor help, home repairs, painting, and there are other things that you can actually offer on this website. This is a trusted website, and I'll highly recommend this if you're looking for a side hustle that's within your local area and you're looking for something that you can make money from. over the weekend. If you scroll down on your website, you'll be able to see that you can do furniture assembly projects starting at $49. You will also see that you could do moving projects starting at $67, along with cleaning as well for $49. And when you scroll down, you'll see that it has a high rating on Trustpilot. That means that it is really trusted and is one of those websites that you can go on and you can make some money from. Those were the 5 easy side hustles you can do over the weekend to make $500. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so once I upload new videos, you will be notified. And I'll see you in my next video.